For centuries, we were told a story that our destiny is written in our DNA, that our genes determine our health, our personality, and our potential, and that we are powerless to change them. But what if that story is wrong? A revolutionary field of science called epigenetics is proving that you are not your genes. It's showing that your thoughts, your emotions, and your environment are constantly sending signals that can turn genes on and off. You are the one in control of your genetic destiny. Today, we learn how. Welcome back to the Conscious Code. In our last video, we saw undeniable proof that your belief can change your biology through the placebo effect. Today we go even deeper to the very blueprint of life itself, your DNA. The idea that we are victims of our heredity has created a world of passive hope, where we feel we have no control over our health and future. But the science of epigenetics is the dawn of a new era of self-empowerment. It is the missing link that connects your consciousness to your genetic expression. In this video, we will break down the science of epigenetics in a simple, understandable way. You will learn how your cells listen to your thoughts and feelings, how this process can switch genes on or off, and I will give you a powerful meditation technique to begin sending new, life-affirming signals to your DNA. Let's start with a simple definition. Epi means above. So epigenetics literally means control above the genes. Your DNA is like a vast library of blueprints. You have genes for everything, for health and for disease, for strength and for weakness. For a long time, scientists believed that if you had the gene for a certain disease, you were destined to get it. But epigenetics shows this is not true. The genes themselves are just the blueprints. They don't do anything on their own. They need to be activated or expressed. Think of your genes like light bulbs on a massive circuit board, and your consciousness, your thoughts, feelings, nutrition, and environment is the control panel with all the dimmer switches. When you live in a state of stress, fear, and anger, you are sending chemical signals throughout your body that act like a hand turning up the dimmer switch on genes that create inflammation and disease. Conversely, when you live in a state of joy, love, and gratitude, you are sending signals that turn down the switches on stress genes and turn up the switches on genes for repair, growth, and longevity. The environment of the cell determines which genes get activated. And what creates the environment of the cell? Your perception of the world, your thoughts and feelings. You are literally signaling your genes moment by moment, telling them which blueprints to read. This is the most empowering realization in modern biology. Your life is not determined by your genetic blueprint, but by your moment-to-moment choices and your internal state. Pioneering biologists like Dr. Bruce Lipton have shown that a cell's behavior is controlled by the signals it receives from its environment. And for us, as multicellular beings, our perception of our environment is what matters most. If you perceive your world as a threatening, stressful place, your body will be flooded with stress hormones instructing your cells to go into protection mode. In this mode, growth and repair shut down. However, if you can change your internal state, if you can generate elevated emotions of love, joy, and gratitude even when your external world is chaotic, you send a completely different signal. You flood your body with the chemistry of growth and repair. Your cells receive this signal and begin to express genes for vitality and health. This means that practices like meditation, visualization, and cultivating positive emotions are not just feel-good exercises. They are acts of epigenetic engineering. You are providing your body with new information, new signals that can lead to a new genetic expression. Let's go through a meditation designed to send a powerful, coherent signal of health and vitality to your cells. Step 1. Move from thinking to feeling. Sit comfortably with your eyes closed and shift your awareness from your analytical mind down into your body. Feel the weight of your body, the sensation of your breath. The goal is to get out of your head and into the present moment, where true biological change can occur. Step 2. Generate a coherent, elevated emotion. Place your hand on your heart and consciously generate a powerful, elevated emotion. The most powerful for this purpose is a combination of gratitude for your body, as it is right now, and the joy of what it feels like to be healthy and vibrant. Don't just think about it. Truly feel this emotion in your chest. Let it build into a powerful, coherent wave. Step 3. Instruct your cells. Now, as you hold this powerful feeling, you are going to send a clear instruction to your body. In your mind, you can gently say, "I am sending a signal of health and vitality to every cell in my body." Visualize this golden light of gratitude and joy washing through you, bathing every organ, every tissue, every cell. See your cells receiving this new information. See your DNA responding by activating the genes for vibrant health and wholeness. Hold this vision and this feeling for 5 to 10 minutes, knowing that you are actively rewriting your biological destiny. You are far more powerful than you have been led to believe. Your consciousness is the architect of your biology. Your challenge is to practice this gene expression meditation this week. Notice the subtle shifts in your sense of well-being. Then, please share in the comments. What is one health goal you are sending a new signal for? Stop telling the story that you are a victim of your genes. Start practicing the truth that you are the master of your genetic expression. The choices you make, the thoughts you think, and the emotions you feel today are programming your biology for tomorrow. Thank you for being the master of your destiny with us today. If this video empowered you, please support the Conscious Code with a like and subscribe. In our next video, we will deliver directly on our channel's promise and explore the science of unlock your vagus nerve, the science of breathwork for instant calm. Until next time, signal new possibilities.